So in my shop, I have clamps pretty much everywhere. I have some clamps up there. I have a clamp over there. I have clamps up there. More clamps laying on the floor over here. And even more in the basement. So far, I haven't come up with a good way to store them. And then I found that I had a frame for an 8-foot whiteboard that's conveniently on wheels, dismantled in my garage. So I'm going to try and see what I can do with this to put my clamps on. The idea here is to hang a cable across the top to hang the lighter weight clamps from. I'm going to try and pop this top off and see if I can thread the cable through. Normally I just feed this through, loop it back around, and tie with some cable ties or some cable bolts. However, I don't have any on hand, and this is just an experiment, so I'm going to see what I can do here. Should support some weight. Considering this is just one big experiment, let's load it up and see what happens. It could fall over, could break. I don't expect the wheels that it's on to hold a lot of weight. One way to find out. We'll see how long this holds up. Move it slowly.